Hello guys and welcome to Farming Life, episode 48. Today, on this video, basically, there's a lot of snow about, that's basically it. Just showing you what it's like when it starts to kind of blizzard in a way. We're flapping windy and plenty of drifts everywhere. Took the GoPro out with me all morning, caught what I could, so I hope you enjoy it. If you are new around here, please don't forget to leave a subscription. We are so close to 10,000 subscribers, which is ridiculous really, and also leave a like. Tremendous. It's snowing, guys. Quite a lot, and it's blowing quite a lot as well. I'm going in Pioneer to a field that we have down the road. Where's flapping for? A field we have down the road with a few sheep in. They need silaging. We'll do everything twice today, just to make sure they're all alright. Because it's forecasted a lot of snow. Goodness me, this bale's tough. Whether there'll be a lot is another question, because it's not always what they forecast. My dog clearly loves the snow, and me. She's absolute nutter. Quite a good dog though. Quite good, aren't you? Hey, yes. Just a bit excited about it. Sit down, sit, 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 sit. Not what we need. Better than rain, one would say, maybe. I don't know. She's fair blowing like. This is what we do for sheep and animals. People say we don't look after them. We don't throw snow for things. It's alright ladies, this is the main road here, well maintained, big council. Lola, no, come on, get back, Lola, get in, Lola, get in. I want to show feed them where it's sheltered, preferably, if I can get in here. More sheltered in this field, so I'll feed them in here. They're hiding out anyway. Oh, that's this one. Big stone here. It's alright, that's alright. I do apologise, ladies, for the weather, even though I can't do out. So I leave a track. And I feed them up the track, so they don't waste any, so they can get to the feed like. That's the plan, eh? Got a selfie stick. So yeah, it's snowing. Not very enjoyable for sheep or me. Probably less for sheep because I can go inside after I'm done. So these sheep, some of them were to a Texel, crossing them, and some of them were to a tup we have off John Thorpe from Mosbull. Quite a good tup, so we can good yows with him. Obviously you can't really see any good yows today because they're all covered in snow. But yeah, only a bit of cake now. There's a bit of cake. There we go, that's all them fed. Someone on the road, that's what good. Got a load of silage here, good stuff. Oh, that's cold. Should have bought some gloves, but I've forgotten them. Which is... Actually, I lie. Grandad took them into Shakhtar. By accident, of course. We'll wait up and then go back to the wall. But then I'll come back this afternoon and feed them again. There, but when the Grandad feet fell sheep, as you saw, got them fed just about. Now I'm going to feed my shearings. Can't get up the road I'd normally go in. The road I normally go down is like, I'm basically in a ditch, not in a ditch, but you know what I mean, in a gully, and that's all clogged up with snow. So I'm going around the top way on some better roads and I'm down onto them, so hopefully I can get there. Found the shape. Got big feet. This is the road I normally come on. As you can see, I wouldn't get up there. My battery's about dead, which is useful. Anyway, we've fed them all. Time to go in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We haven't had it as bad as some people. Some people were absolutely shocking amount of snow. We didn't have so much. I mean, we had maybe 3 or 4 inches, but it was flapping, blowing like. But I know people have had it worse, and we will have it worse probably sometime. Just how it is. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video, which I'm not sure what it'll be, but it will be somewhere. I'll see you then.